Alright, hello universe, welcome to Angels AI, and let's come on to the next topic. And today we are going to understand how you can set height and width of any element. Okay, and for today's class we are taking example of an element which will be our image. Okay, example will be image. Fine. So for that we'll need an image. So how can we put the image inside our website? With this img tag, and inside the source you will need the your image. We'll take this image that we took in the last class, okay, and we're going to resize it. Fine. All right. Okay, so I have already made the files today. Okay, so we'll have more time in explanation. So okay, so we have the image. Now let's first load the site. Alright, so as you can see, the image is like this. Now what if you want this image size should be till here? Okay, so the size will be like this much only. Okay, what will be the thing means from here at least you will require 80 to 90 pixels, and for the height let's keep it the same. Okay, so you need an image with the width to be 80 to 90 pixels and height also with 80 to 90 pixels. It's fine. So we have the image tag. This is the style sheet. I have linked it already. Okay, make sure you do this and then proceed to the video. Okay, so I have to call the image, and then I will call the height for this. Okay, so before I do that, let me turn on my CSS suggester. Fine. So for the image I will turn on the height, and height I want to give it according to myself, so let's keep it as 80 pixels, or let's say 90 pixels. Alright, and I also want the width to be 90 pixels. Okay, so this is how you assign height and width to any element, and in this example we are giving it to the image. Now I'll keep this side by side so that you can see the the instant change. Alright, so I'm going to say this here, and as you can see the image has now in the ratio of 90 by 90. Okay, 90 is to 90. The height is also 90 and the width is also 90, and my zoom is 100%. So if you want your image a little bigger, then you will need to increase this pixels. Fine. So if you want to keep height, well, let's say 1000, okay, and width to be also 1500. Okay, fine. And if I save it now, as you can see, this image has now turned into a bigger one. So that is how you can change the size of any element you ever can think of. Alright, so that is how you change the height and width of any element. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you understood everything.